This is my Bible story book. I read it every night with myself. And also, I'm gonna be reading this now. The loaves and fishes. 5,000 were fed with 5 little loaves. 5,000 were fed with 2 little fish. People were seeking Jesus. A crowd of 5,000 or more had gathered to hear him teach about God's kingdom. Lunchtime came, and all the people were hungry, but they had no food. What would they do? A little boy gave his lunch to Jesus, but how could 5 little loaves of bread and 2 small fish feed this crowd? Small meals became great miracles when blessed by Jesus. He looked up to the heaven and blessed the small lunch. Then it was given to the big crowd. Everyone ate it, and there was still 12 baskets for the food left over. This mealtime miracle shows that God provides for those who seek Him. Word watch. Taking the 5 loaves and 2 fish and looking up to heaven, he gave thanks. My prayer for today. Father, those who seek you are blessed. May I be willing to give my all to you. Amen. God will provide. Peace. That's all for today, guys. Good night. God bless. Be pogi and be beautiful. Bye-bye. Enjoy reading.